I'm Amelia, and I'm going to be in my Gigi's filming today, and I'm making a beautiful picture, and I'm really excited about it, and a Merry Christmas to all, and I hope you have a really good present for Santa, and stay off of the naughty list. I have an elf, and she's here, and she might be watching you too. So, let's get started.
All right, Amelia, so we've got some specific colors in front of you. Are these your colors that you selected for your painting?
Yep.
Wow, they are so beautiful. What colors are they?
This one's like a purplish blue. This one's a dark blue that I'm going to use maybe on top. And this one is a light blue, and this one is a greenish kind of a blue, and this one's our lightest. So it's going to go from darkest to lightest.
Yeah, very nice color selection. I really like that.
Thank you.
Beautiful color palette. Yeah. All right, so I think we're going to get started on what kind of pour are we doing today?
It's kind of like a Dutch pour. It's going to be a Botanical Dutch Pour.
Sweet. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned to the very end so you can see what kind of fun we're gonna have. Hey guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. I have a little helper in my studio today. This is Amelia. And yeah, so she is going to help me paint today, and we're gonna have so much fun. So keep joining us. We're gonna be doing what kind of pour today, Amelia?
Botanical Dutch Pour.
Sweet. So yeah, keep joining us and watch to the very end so you can see what we are going to create today in the studio. A little puddle right here in the middle of the canvas. We'll swirl it around so it gets towards the edge. Yeah, that looks like it'd be pretty good, huh? And then
maybe sometime I can try by myself.
Yeah, it's almost like pouring pancake batter, huh? And then you can help me spread it out over the canvas. Look how it spreads pretty nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, satisfying.
Satisfying. We'll give it a little spin. You can just
smear it around.
Yeah, just smear it around. We want to make it kind of even.
So we can we need to get it over the edges. It's okay if it drips. We don't care if it drips.
All right, guys, so we're back now. We just finished covering our canvas with our house interior paint. We're popping just a few of those surfacing bubbles. Do you see any more?
Kind of.
Just a little bitty. They'll come out when we are doing our design, okay? All right, don't get your nose in there, silly. All right, we're gonna start out with our darkest blue first. Okay, start making our design. That design.
Yeah.
Is that kind of drizzle it here and there? Just in the middle, because it's really not doing well when I try to pour it out of these bottles. Same thing with this one. Unfortunately, these bottles are not very good. I might be able to let you do the next color, though. I think that bottle's a little bit better.
The one with the one with the black around the caps are not very good at working.
Exactly. They're a cheaper bottle, and Gigi won't buy those anymore. Sometimes buying the cheapest is not the best. They're just not good bottles. But this one here, I'll help you with it, okay? Here, take two. Can you take two hands with it? And we'll start doing a little bit. Nope, squeezing too much though, okay? Just a nice even flow.
We can do the other one a little more. One that we started with.
That one. Very good.
I like squeeze it and you like go the places,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. You can help me with this one as well. Kind of like a star, isn't it? Does that look like a little Christmas star? What do you think? Do you like that design? Yeah, does that feel good?
Me too.
All right, I think we're ready to blow it out. Is this gonna be fun? Are you excited? Okay, we're gonna start about right here. Ooh, look at those colors. That looks so pretty.
Can you blow it in my face later?
All right, so another fun part
little
is
on
to
it.
use, yeah, we can do that at the very end.
It really looks like an ocean because like there's little dots that makes it.
Looks very oceany, but it also looks like a flower. I'm gonna blow this out a little bit.
I know the name for it. I know the perfect name for it.
Wow. So I think I'm gonna start.
The name could be ocean flower because it looks like an ocean and it's a flower. So ocean flower.
Very nice. We can definitely name it an ocean flower. It's gonna look pretty.
People are definitely going to want to buy that at the market.
Yeah.
So shimmery. I think Brianna's gonna really like it.
Look, it's definitely looking like a flower. We can, when it dries, we can put a little gem in the middle. Yeah.
Because we're not done with the video yet. We can put that video with this video, right?
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part about doing paintings?
It's just, I like watching you see stuff. I think Rio fell asleep.
Dark blue in the middle. That really makes it look good. All right, guys, I think we've really did a great job on this one. Right, Amelia?
Yeah.
I think she came out really pretty. Hey guys, so I thought I'd share the final results of this beautiful little flower that Amelia and I created together. Such fun to have them in my studio. And I think this one came out so pretty. I also put a little gem in the focal point. She looks like a beautiful little blue flower. You can really hang this in any direction. You can hang it this way. Looks so pretty. That's what I love about these. You can just hang them in any direction. You can even sometimes hang them like this. So however you want to hang it, they always seem to work. But yeah, so that's it for me today. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.